Guys, it is getting crazy with the food shortages. Now Shanghai is closed down. Who knows what's going to happen with the food shortages? Here's 15 things you should be stockpiling in your pantry right now. Really hoard these, guys. You know, when I use the word hoard, I mean go get 3 or 4 every time you go to the grocery store. But guys, be stocking up on this stuff. Number 1, canned chicken. Canned chicken is a high protein food that will help sustain your energy and muscle mass in an emergency situation, but it's a food that you can use all the time. So it's not just an emergency type food. I love canned chicken. I make it in my green chili, Dining on a Dime cookbook. Chicken soup, chicken fajitas, anything like that, you can use canned chicken. All these recipes are in our Dining on a Dime cookbook, which is on sale right now and in the description below. Canned tuna, another thing, protein. You gotta keep some protein in you, and you may not be able to get things like eggs, so you need to have some canned protein to help keep that muscle mass up and keep your energy going. Spam, I know it's crazy, but guys, spam is actually pretty good. It's just ham. I know people don't want to believe it, but it is really just ham, and it's pretty tasty. Dairy, your powdered milks, your boxed milks, those are all really good sources of dairy to get for your pantry to have in an emergency situation. If you're dairy free, I wouldn't worry about it, but everybody else, you need to have some dairy on hand. Potato flakes. I love potato flakes because all you have to do is reconstitute them with water and you have a very filling food. Good carbohydrates, keep your energy going. Super easy to make though. And the next one along with that is canned yams. I love sweet potatoes, yams. Those canned yams will also give you a lot of energy, and don't throw away the juices. Warm it up, pour those juices over there because there's a lot of energy from the sugar that they can them with in your yams. Next, chilies and soups. Guys, super easy. Open up those cans. If you want to warm it, you can, but you don't have to warm it. Remember, you can eat this stuff cold, but just warm and eat. Quick, easy meal with a few crackers, and you're filled up for quite a while. Stews. This goes along with the chilies and soup, but those stews, guys, it's an all-in-one meal. You got your potatoes, your carrots, your meat, everything, just warm and go. Pastas. Be sure to focus on your thin spaghettis and your angel hair pastas because those won't take as long to cook, and you won't have to waste precious, valuable energy like wood or your little alcohol burner stoves. You don't want to waste that energy cooking thick pasta. Make sure it's thin and something that's quick and easy to cook. Your ramen noodles, that type of thing. Tomatoes. Now, tomatoes don't do super long storage because of the acidity in them, but you can get several years, 5 to 8 years out of canned tomatoes, probably 5 years out of canned tomatoes. But they are a filling, easy vegetable that you can pair with almost any dish. So that's why people recommend tomatoes, because you can use it with almost anything. Your stews, your spaghetti sauces. Dining on a Dime cookbook. Once again, guys, you can get a free copy of our Dining on a Dime Volume 1 ebook in the description below. Just use the coupon code DINING1 and it will be 100% free for you. Guys, don't buy it if it charges you for it. It's 100% free. DINING1. Just put in the coupon code at checkout. Your heartier vegetables, carrots, canned potatoes, those will help fill you up if you need to make your soups and stews. So your canned carrots, canned vegetables, that's another good one. Things that are easy to eat like SpaghettiOs, raviolis, canned SpaghettiOs, canned raviolis. You don't have to eat them up, but once again, very filling. Just open up and eat it and you're ready to go. Flour, you can make so many things with flour. My grandpa tells a story about how when he was growing up, they had flour and water biscuits all the time. It was during the Depression, and that's what him and his 5 brothers and sisters and mom and dad lived on was flour and water biscuits all the time. Sugar, and a bonus is salt, so that your food can actually taste good. Of course, guys, when I say hoard, I don't mean go and buy 500 pounds of flour at Walmart at one time. I'm saying get 5 or 6 of these, or even a case every time you go to the store. Start stocking up. It's not too late yet, but we don't know when it's going to be too late. So get these things stocked up. Get our Dining on a Dime cookbook free in the description below with coupon code DINING1. Go watch my 20 things you should hoard right now. These aren't food items. These are everyday items that you may need if the fecal matter hits the oscillation unit. Visit us at livingonadime.com. We'll see you guys next time.